What's up, online shoppers? I've got a really awesome, colorful piece of magic. I purchased this for backpacking because you can use it for so many different things and it fits in a nice little pack. However, I have a really cool use for this. Because it was so fun, I got the idea to give it to my niece when she went away to university. You know how university students are always trying to decorate their dorms and personalize things, but they don't have a whole lot of choice because it's usually just a small square little room. Well, I bought her one of these and she has this stretched right behind her bed. And she put it up on the wall with two little hooks. Along each of these colored clothespins, she has hung pictures, mementos. She even has her high school basketball jersey hung with her number on it and her name from this clothesline up behind her bed. It is the coolest way to personalize a room, to create a hanging gallery of memorabilia. And it was a really nice thing because when she packed up at the end of the year, all this stuff went in a box and she could change it out. She could add new pictures, new mementos. It was a really, really neat way to personalize her room. What you get in this is a package like this to keep it in. It's a nice little satiny bag and it has a great drawstring on the top. So you can put your clothesline in and then draw it up nice and tight and carry it quite easily. Well, this is super light. It weighs less than a pound. It fits really nice in here. And as soon as you put this in here and put it in your backpack, you've got a multi-purpose tool. Of course, it works really well for camping because of its highly portable nature, the fact that it doesn't weigh very much, and the fact that you don't have to actually remember clothespins and a clothesline and how you're gonna attach it to the tree. You can use this and put up a sheet and make a shower stall. You can use this to hang all your wet clothes. You can stretch it out from tree to tree. You can hang it from a balcony. You can hang it in your bedroom. It's great for apartments because it is small size and then you can actually fold it up and put it away and not have to take it out again until you have more clothes to dry. You're gonna get 10 to 12 feet of length from this expandable clothesline. There are 12 of these colorful plastic covered metal clothespins. They also have these separator beads right here, so you can evenly space out your clothespins just by moving the separator beads and keep things separate. They have two really great stainless steel metal hooks that are powder coated with black paint to help keep them weather resistant. And they've got this expandable bungee cord, which is about 1/4 inch thick, and it will stretch anywhere from 10 to 12 feet in length. I really think that this is an awesome product. Everything all in one, durable, thoughtfully designed, and fun, playful colors. This one here is definitely a family favorite at my house.